Alright, so today was a pretty big day.
It was a big day.
Didn't expect it to be a big day.
So I said, oh, you home for lunch? And he said,
No, I'm home for the rest of my life because I lost my job. Okay, so we ordered a dumpster.
Here at midnight. Let me know if we do it out.
Alright, so our house is empty. We're gonna have some fun.
Wheelchair hide and seek. Okay guys, so the house is staged. Woo! So we are leaving tomorrow. We're gonna wake up early, put in the slides, and be off. So today is all about like the hectic last minute things. We have to make sure the RV is completely organized, that the slides will be able to go in without hitting a ton of stuff. We have to make sure we didn't leave anything in the house. Ooh, we found some stuff we accidentally left. I gotta do most of it before like 5 and 6 because we have like our last youth group.
We're going on the road. We finally got the house cleared out, listed, staged, sold, and all that. It's under agreement, and we can be free of it and hit the road. On the road again. I can't wait to be on the road again. You all buckled in, Alex?
Yep, buckled in, comfy.
Of course, we had to get gas. It was like almost on E, so.
We're here.
Yeah, that was a short trip.
Sunny Florida.
Not quite.
So you're probably wondering why McKenna and Mommy are not in the RV.
What? We left them behind?
No!
Oh, we're gonna go back.
Okay, so they are driving separate because we didn't like towing the car. The Mommy's out there with McKenna in that car.
Beach now. We spent like 36 hours in like a grandparents' driveway. So we were hanging out with them. And then now I am editing a video so I can go up. We left at 11. It's 1 now.
Breakfast.
It's 1 o'clock now. Yeah, we had a
Camp
nice
Dabo
big
and Poppy
breakfast.
is good. They like, we get big breakfast. They let us hook up to electric. We can use their bath and shower.
So we just stopped at a truck stop that had a nice grassy area. The dogs went and walked, and they had their dinner. We had a dinner break, and we're now ready to go. We have another 2 hours to go. And then we'll be there at the beach. It's gonna be awesome. We'll be back.
Yeah!
Myrtle Beach State Park. Woohoo! So it took us 10.5 hours or something like that. So they were having to do the combination to get in.